So today's drink is a screwdriver. Little history on this drink. I read somewhere that this drink was actually made by American workers in the Persian Gulf who wanted to sweeten the vodka they were drinking, so they added orange juice to the vodka, and voila, you have a screwdriver. So that's pretty much what a screwdriver is. It's vodka and orange juice, simple as that. For all highball drinks, you start off with your ice in the glass, which we have here. You start off with your base, we have our vodka. Now, when I make drinks, I usually use a free pour like this one. I know off the top of my head, just by eyesight, just how much 1 ounce is and 2 ounces and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a measuring cup, glass, like this one, that has your measuring ounces here. I'm going to fill it up with 1 ounce of vodka. And it's simple, you just top it off with some orange juice. Obviously, you add in the vodka to your preference. So more vodka, stronger the drink. Typically, you garnish this with a slice of an orange, or you can pick whichever garnish you want. I'm going to use a lime because I like that orange to lime contrast. So I'm going to use a slice of lime here. And voila, add in your straw. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your screwdriver. It's a fun drink, very light drink, very commonly drink that's served in nightclubs and bars. I encourage you to make this drink. It's a nice drink to have with your barbecue, especially in the summertime. So I hope you enjoyed this drink. Again, I'm Ben. If you found this video to be helpful or useful or fun, please subscribe to the channel. Please follow my blog again at recipesaroundtheworld.com. I hope you enjoyed this drink, and I'll see you in the next video in this drink series. Cheers.